Hello friends, today we learn how to create biodata. We all are know that resume is main requirement for applying any job. Resume is your first impression. On the basis of resume, you are called for interview. It means resume plays important role in job getting. Before we start how to create perfect resume, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel to get new videos earlier. First, top center of the page, write biodata, CV or resume. Then below left side, write your name as on your documents. Then below, write date of birth, then nationality, gender, religion and your caste and subcaste if you have. Then below we have to write your educational qualification or information like passing year, passing percentage, board, university, etc. To make it, first we have to make one table in which first column write your exam name, then board or institute name in which you studied, and then write passing year and percentage. Below write details about SSC, HSC, graduation and post graduation, etc. Then if you have any experience of job, below write details of your experience like job position, working place, work from date to till date. Then below you have to write your communication details like address and mobile number, email ID. Then at the end you do your signature. You can also fix your photo on biodata. If this video is useful for you, then like this video. If you have any queries regarding this, feel free to ask. Thank you.